In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing file privileges on Steam. This error usually pops up when Steam doesn't have the right permissions to change files during a download or update. We'll walk through a clear sequence of fixes, starting with the simplest and moving to more thorough options, so follow along and try each one in order. First, give your PC a quick restart, then try the download or update again. A reboot clears temporary locks on files and services that can interfere with Steam's access, and it often resolves the issue right away. If it's still happening, fully exit Steam and reopen it. In the top left of the Steam window, go to Steam, then exit. Make sure it's not still running in the background, then launch Steam again and retry your download or update. Next, try running Steam as an administrator. Close Steam completely, then right-click your Steam shortcut or Steam exe and choose Run as Administrator. This temporarily grants Steam elevated access, which can help it write to protected locations and finish the install or update. If that doesn't do it, check your Steam folder permissions. Go to your Steam installation folder, which by default is C, Program Files x86 Steam. Right-click the Steam folder, choose Properties, then open the Security tab. Click Edit or Advance and grant both your user account and system full control. Apply the changes, then restart Steam. This ensures Steam and Windows can read, write, and modify the files it needs. Now let's repair the library and validate the game files. In Steam, go to Steam, then Settings, then Storage, or download storage depending on your version. Select your library folder and choose Repair Library folder. This fixes permission and structure issues at the library level. After that, go to your library, right-click the affected game, select Properties, then Installed Files or Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and repair any corrupted or missing files. If you're still stuck, clear Steam's download cache. In Settings, open Downloads and click Clear Download Cache. Confirm, then sign back in when prompted. This refreshes the downloader and removes stuck or outdated data. If the issue persists, in the same download settings, change your download region to a nearby region and try the download again. Sometimes a busy or problematic server can trigger privilege or write errors. Work through these steps in order you fix missing file privileges on Steam. Thanks for watching.